Clearing the air about possible cabinet expansion in Odisha, BJP State President Manmohan Samal on Sunday clarified that there are no plans for a ministerial reshuffle in the state at present. He shared this information after paying his obeisance at Ma Samaleswari Temple in Sambalpur. Samal, who went to the shrine to take a glimpse of Dhabadamukhi Besa of the goddess, made the announcement. Commenting on the upcoming Nuapada by-election, Samal expressed confidence that the BJP would perform well, predicting a strong victory in the constituency. He emphasized that the party's focus in the by-election would remain on farmers' welfare, including bonuses and development initiatives, which he described as the main priorities for the voters. Samal's remarks come amid political speculation over cabinet reshuffles and preparations for the by-election, signaling that the party is focusing on grassroots issues to consolidate support among the rural electorate.
एबे कोनो संभावना नहीं समझे
चर्चा होतला दुर्गा पूजा भितरे
नहीं समझे किसी चर्चा आलोचना है नहीं संभावना नहीं किसी निश्चितता नहीं तार पार्लियामेंट अफेयर्स कमिटी निष्पत्ति करियो जतल निष्पत्ति करियो तो आपन जणै दिया जिवो।